The ayes have it. The bill is passed.
Which will go a long way to secure the dignity and protection of our women.
We expect our military, independent police investigation.
A date with destiny for Scotland is a date in history, our opportunity